So welcome back. In the last video, I said that an interesting phase is waiting for us. Now let me unfold that interesting phase of our campaign designing. Actually, this phase is about designing of skippable ads. So here we will learn that how to design the skippable ads using the skip ad button. So let us start. First, we have to give the link of our video here. To add any video, first upload your video to the YouTube and copy the URL and paste it here. Your video is added. On the right hand side, you can check the weekly estimate of your video impressions as well. It is confirmed that it is in stream ad format. Here give the final URL. It may be the URL of your website or any landing page of your website where we want to send our prospect after he would click on the ad. This is the display URL. I always say that it is a dummy URL. It is used for displaying purpose only. You can use any random word or words related to the ad to create the display URL. Next we have the call to action and you can customize it. In the preview section, you can see this is the place where your call to action will be visible. Give an appropriate call to action in the context of your advertisement. I am just giving join now. See, it is changed in the preview section. Give any catchy headline here up to 15 characters, like free course. See it in the preview section. Next we have the companion banner. Now what is companion banner? It is clickable thumbnail image that accompanies the ad. On a YouTube page, it appears next to the ad at the top right corner. It is visible in desktop version of the ads only. A companion banner provides a continued brand presence after the video ends and a viewer can click on it anytime. Google may create it automatically based on your YouTube channel video, or you may upload the image manually. Make sure the dimension of the image should be 300 by 60 pixels. Give any name to the ad. Before saving the ad, let us preview it. This is how it will look on YouTube app in the mobile phones. This is our video of the ad, the logo of our channel. This is headline, display URL, call to action. This is how our ad will look in Google Video Partners. Only few options are available in the ad. Now let us check it for the desktop versions. This is how it will look on desktop versions. Here we have the headline and display URL. This is the skip ad button. Here our companion banner will be visible. This is how it will look in the Google Video Partners in the desktop versions. If you are satisfied, then save and continue. But it shows that there is one error. Actually, I have not uploaded the image of companion banner. Let me change the option to default. I will show you how to upload the companion banner in a while. Save and continue. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Review it. Everything seems to be okay. Click continue to campaign. Your campaign will be submitted to the Google for review purpose. Google will give me the green signal if the ad is as per the Google guidelines. Now what are those guidelines? The link is given in the description. Just read them. So finally, we have designed our video ad campaign using the skippable ads. I have left intentionally few options as default as we have discussed them many times in our previous modules. So just try to explore them and learn more about these options. I will advise you to please design few more campaigns using the skippable ads and you will learn this concept properly. Now in the next video, I will start with the bumper ads. So just join me there.